Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use these 3 projects that I got in my calendar. And I would love to get this up to 50 subscribers. It will mean the world to me. Let's get into the video. This is indoor number 1. This is, right my bad, Revolution Makeup Revolution London is a lipstick in shade Swish. Day number 2. Let's see what's behind that. I have no nails, so. Oh, it's a brush. Here is the brush. Day number 3. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh. Very nice. This is a back highlighter. It's very whitey colour. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my F5 Revolution foundation stick. I'm just gonna do this all around my face, and then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and just dab that in all around my face until it's blended. I don't want to blend, so I'll just get my brush and blend it in with this brush, and I'll go over it with my damp beauty blender again. As I've said, I've just blended all that in. Now I'm going to go in with my Concealer and Define by Revolution, and I'm just going to put underneath my eyes here, here and here. If I'm looking here, it's because there's a mirror here. And I'm going to go in with down a bit. So I got this in day 2. A mini travel size concealer, and I think it's called a concealer, and I don't know. That's not working, so we use my damp. So I was damping all my concealer all around my eyes. I use damp beauty blender and this little thing here. Now I'm going to go in to my baking powder, MAU Makeup Academy. And down, I'm just going to dab it underneath my eyes, basically wherever I can see concealed. And that has made a massive mess on my table. Oh my god, it's got everywhere. I'm going to let that set for a little while. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm not doing concealers or nothing. I'm going to go in with my eye palette, my Emanation Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with, let's see, I'm going to go Too Nice, the top one here, and I'm just going to dab that all over colours of my eyelids. Let's go for a simple, easy look. Can people not believe that it's Christmas in 23 days now? Is it mad to think that it's come up that soon? I'm going to go in with this one here, the Mills. And I'm just going to get out my brush and I'm just going to dab that on the outer corner of my eyes, as you can probably see. As you can see on my eyelids here, dab them out a little bit. And then I think I'm going to go for Forever Friends, this one here. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with a blending brush. I'm just going to blend them two in together. Now I'm going to go in with my big fluffy brush and just push all this away. That's that done. I'm going to put a little bit more orange on the corners to make it more pop. Better. And I did a little bit in the corner. And that looks fun. Now I'm going to go in with my mascaras. I'm going for these two. I'm going for the MUA and the Collection Volume one. So first I'm going to cut out my eyes. Then I'm going to put some mascara on. Not a lot of that, it's just a couple of those to make them look nice. So that's that one. Then I'm going to go with this one. I've never used this one, so well, that's quite a big brush. Ooh. Very nice. Quite impressed with that. And now I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. I'm just going to go in very fast. I'm not an expert at this yet, but I'll get there. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, my under eye with this, my Collection. And then I'm going to go in with this, that I got this in day 3. The Revolution Baking Highlighter in Golden Light. It's pretty like shimmery colour, as you can see. I'm just going to get some of that on this brush. And I'm going to put it on top of my eyes here. It's very like shimmery, as you can see in the light. Put some up here. Something there. It's very like shimmery, as you can see. Put them on the corner of my eye. It's very like yellowy, as you can see up there. That's that. And for the final look is this lipstick, Revolution in Swish. It's this colour. I got this in day 2. But first I'm gonna line my lips with BB Pretty Berry lips. Now I'm going to use it, it's like a nudie browny colour. And here is the finished look. And here we go. It's more like a bronzy colour. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and everything. So as I said, I would like to hit 50 subscribers as well. I will be posting a video every day, the products that I have got through my calendar. As well, on the Saturday and Sunday ones will be joined with the Monday ones. So thank you. Bye.